Let's dive into Understanding RACI Matrices, a powerful tool for clarifying roles and responsibilities in teamwork. Welcome. In this video, we will explore the concept of RACI and its practical applications. A responsibility matrix, or RACI, helps define roles and ensure clarity on who does what in a project. Clear roles, responsibilities, and effective teamwork are essential for project success. Ambiguity about roles can lead to confusion, conflicts, and inefficiencies. Without clear roles, efforts can be duplicated or completely missed, leading to dead zones. Role ambiguity often results in conflicts and misunderstandings among team members. This ambiguity directly impacts deadlines and quality of work, leading to missed goals. RACI can be applied in various scenarios from project management to daily operations. In project management, RACI ensures everyone knows their role and accountability. RACI is beneficial for defining roles in business processes and during implementation of changes. RACI improves daily operations and team interactions by establishing clear expectations. Let's define each component of RACI: responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. Responsible: the one who performs the task and does the work. Accountable: the final decision maker with ultimate ownership for the task. Consulted: those who provide expert opinions or information in a two-way communication. Informed: those who receive updates on progress or completion in one-way communication. Let's look at an example of how to build a RACI matrix. RACI matrices are structured with tasks as rows and roles/people as columns. Each cell in the matrix is filled with R, A, C, or I, based on each role's involvement. Now, it's your turn. You'll create a mini RACI matrix for a small task. Choose a small collaborative task, like preparing for a corporate party. Identify key steps, participants, and create your mini RACI matrix. Reflect on the challenges and benefits of creating the matrix and your next steps. Consider the difficulties, gray areas, and how role clarity impacts work. The next step is to apply RACI to one real task in your current work. Share your RACI experience, findings, and questions. Post your findings and any questions you have in the comments. Discuss, like, and learn together to improve our understanding and use of RACI.